Your if you do it, I'll do it Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this, add your sticker right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to go on our Instagram account, of course, and then from there we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from this page, you have to go to April 2022. And here you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. There you have it. Click on the Add Yours button. And if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first I will do the story and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo or a video. I will go with this one. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and then you can share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account on Ali and John YTT, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you will find this first story. Not able to click on Add Yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 3 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to check that if you have problems with clicking on the Add Yours button. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.